Okay, great. Let's move on to the next prompt, and that's recommending solutions. Okay, so that's impressive, right? Think about the amount of challenges that you get at work every day within your career that you really just need a bit of advice. Very difficult to Google find me a solution, right? So how about we do something like this? Recommend a solution to the current conflict I am having with my boss. Should we say please? Another tip of the day. Be polite. Manners, manners, manners. Who knows where these language models are going? I don't want to be that person who wasn't polite. Manners count, don't they? Okay, let's see. So yes, it is difficult, right? Okay, but I'm still going to give you some tips. Very good. Understand the root cause of the conflict. Communicate openly and honestly. Wow, guys, that's really, really impressive. So it can help you with relationships. It can try its best. That's why I like recommend a solution. We're not asking for an actual solution, but the prompt of recommending a solution rocks. Now, if we've been looking for solutions, we should be looking for alternatives. I actually had to write down an example of the alternatives here. How about we literally ask for an alternative to above? Please, can you provide an alternative to the above? All right. And it goes back to that mate of mine who works in a legal firm and literally put forward a piece of case law for an argument and then said, well, let's look at the alternative. I want you to counter the position and provide some advice there. I mean, it is phenomenal. Here we go. Let's try an alternative. Well, let's look for common goals. Take a step back. I mean, very good advice coming from a different angle. It's like talking to a different ChatGPT.